In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from your Phantom Wallet account. We'll guide you through each step to ensure your account is secure and you know exactly how to log back in when needed. First things first, go ahead and open your Phantom Wallet. Once you're inside, make sure you're logged into your account. You'll start at your home page where you can see your balance and the tokens you hold. It's always good to take a moment to familiarize yourself with this information before proceeding. Now, before you log out, there's a crucial step you need to do: copying your recovery phrase. This is extremely important because it's essentially your ticket back into your account if you ever get logged out or need to access your account from a different device. So let's make sure you do this correctly. Look towards the top of the screen and click on your profile. From there, head over to Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, you need to click on Manage Accounts. You'll then see a list of your accounts. Click on one of your accounts and it will present a new option for you to show recovery phrase. At this point, you'll be asked to enter your password. This is just a security measure to ensure you are the only person accessing this sensitive information. Be sure you're in a private setting, as your recovery phrase should never be shared with anyone else. Once you've entered your password, your recovery phrase will be revealed. Go ahead and carefully copy this phrase and be sure to save it in a secure location on your documents or any safe storage space you trust. With that important step complete, you can now proceed to log out from your account. Head back to the settings by clicking on Settings again. From the menu, select Security and Privacy. Here you'll see the option Reset App. Click on this and then click Continue. This reset will log you out of your account, and there you have it. You've successfully logged out of your Phantom Wallet account. If at any point you want to log back in, simply open the app again. You'll be presented with the option that says, I already have an account. Click on this and you can easily paste your recovery phrase in the space provided to regain access to your account. Remember, keeping track of your recovery phrase is key to maintaining easy and secure access to your wallet. So, store it safely and enjoy peace of mind as you manage your digital assets. We hope this walkthrough has been